Welcome, everyone. If you've ever wondered how to reclaim your vitality and transform your legs after 60, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into 8 habits to rebuild muscle strength and transform your legs after 60 that will have your legs thanking you in ways you never imagined. Whether you're looking to boost your mobility, regain balance, or simply enjoy a more active lifestyle, these habits are designed with you in mind. Imagine waking up every day with the energy to tackle your favorite activities, feeling stronger and more confident in your step. This isn't just about exercise, it's about embracing a holistic approach that combines movement, nutrition, rest, and a sprinkle of smart, daily routines that make a significant difference in your overall well-being. Before we jump in, if you find this information helpful and inspiring, take a moment to hit that like button and subscribe for more actionable tips. Your support helps bring these life-changing habits to even more people. Now let's get started on this transformative journey because it's never too late to rebuild, rejuvenate, and reclaim your strength. Habit 8. Stay consistent with low-impact cardio. Low-impact cardio is a game changer for rebuilding leg strength without overwhelming your joints. Think of activities such as brisk walking, water aerobics, swimming, or even a gentle cycling session. These exercises elevate your heart rate while keeping your body safe from high-impact stress, making them ideal for anyone over 60. By incorporating at least 30 minutes of low-impact cardio into your daily routine, you not only improve blood circulation and oxygen delivery to your muscles, but also boost overall endurance and energy levels. The best part? These activities can be easily modified to match your fitness level, and as you grow stronger, you can increase the duration or intensity gradually. Regular low-impact cardio also helps in reducing stiffness and joint pain, setting the perfect foundation for more targeted strength training in the future. Habit 7. Prioritize flexibility and stretching. Flexibility and stretching are vital components of any fitness routine, especially when you're focused on rebuilding leg strength. Dedicating time each day to gentle stretching exercises can dramatically improve your range of motion, reduce muscle tension, and prevent injuries. Incorporate dynamic stretches before you exercise to warm up your muscles. Think leg swings, ankle circles, or gentle lunges. After your workout, static stretches like seated forward bends, calf stretches against a wall, or a standing quad stretch can help your muscles relax and recover. Practices such as yoga or Tai Chi not only improve flexibility, but also enhance balance and mental focus. Over time, a consistent stretching routine will make everyday movements easier and more comfortable, reducing the risk of strains or sprains and ensuring your muscles stay supple and resilient. Habit 6. Incorporate strength training. Strength training is an essential pillar in transforming your legs after 60, as it directly targets muscle building and preservation. This doesn't mean you need to lift heavy weights. Instead, focus on exercises that use your body weight or light resistance bands. Start with simple exercises like seated leg extensions, modified squats, or even gentle step-ups on a low platform. These movements work multiple muscle groups and help to rebuild muscle mass gradually. As you become more comfortable and your strength improves, consider increasing the intensity by adding more repetitions or incorporating resistance equipment, such as ankle weights. Strength training not only enhances muscle power, but also supports bone density and improves joint stability, which are crucial factors in preventing falls and injuries. Always ensure proper form and consider consulting with a fitness professional to design a routine that is both safe and effective, tailoring it to your individual needs and progress. Habit 5. Embrace balance and coordination exercises. Improving balance and coordination is not just about preventing falls, it's about regaining the confidence to move freely and safely. For individuals over 60, incorporating balance exercises into your routine can dramatically enhance your stability and overall mobility. Begin with simple practices such as standing on one foot, holding onto a stable surface, or performing heel-to-toe walks in a quiet area. As you build your confidence, try incorporating more dynamic movements like Tai Chi or gentle yoga, both of which focus on controlled movements that strengthen your core and improve coordination. Balance exercises stimulate the neurological pathways that control muscle coordination, helping your body react faster to sudden changes in direction or unexpected obstacles. With regular practice, you may notice not only a reduction in the risk of falls, but also an improvement in your overall posture and movement fluidity. Remember, small consistent steps in balance training can lead to significant improvements over time, making everyday activities easier and more enjoyable. Habit 4. Stay hydrated and nourish your muscles. Staying hydrated and fueling your body with the right nutrients are critical factors in muscle recovery and overall health. Water is essential for maintaining optimal muscle function. It helps transport nutrients to your cells and flush out toxins that can accumulate during exercise. Aim to drink water throughout the day. Start your morning with a glass, sip during your workouts, and maintain hydration during meals. Equally important is your diet. A balanced diet rich in lean proteins, whole grains, fruits, and vegetables supplies the building blocks your muscles need to repair and grow. Proteins in particular are vital for muscle repair and regeneration. Consider incorporating foods like fish, chicken, beans, or dairy into your meals. Additionally, healthy fats and antioxidants found in nuts, seeds, and berries play a significant role in reducing inflammation and promoting recovery. By combining proper hydration with a nutrient-rich diet, you create an environment where your muscles can recover more efficiently after exercise, reducing soreness and paving the way for stronger, more resilient legs. Habit 3. Incorporate rest and recovery. Rest and recovery are as crucial to your fitness journey as the exercises themselves. For individuals over 60, giving your body ample time to recuperate can make a significant difference in your strength-building progress. When you engage in physical activity, your muscles undergo tiny tears, which are necessary for growth. However, without sufficient rest, these tears cannot repair properly, potentially leading to overtraining or injury. Aim for at least 1 to 2 days of rest per week and make sure to get a full night's sleep, ideally 7 to 9 hours, to allow your body to restore energy levels and rebuild muscle fibers. Recovery isn't just about sleep and taking days off. It can also include active recovery techniques like light stretching, gentle walks, or even a relaxing session of meditation to lower stress levels. Consider incorporating practices such as foam rolling or massages to alleviate muscle tension and enhance circulation. By prioritizing recovery, you give your muscles the opportunity to adapt and grow stronger, ensuring that every workout leaves you more resilient and ready for your next challenge. Habit 2. Use proper form and posture. Focusing on proper form and posture is essential, regardless of your age or fitness level. For every exercise you perform, correct technique ensures that you are effectively targeting the muscles in your legs while minimizing the risk of injury. Proper posture begins with understanding the natural alignment of your spine, hips, and knees. Whether you are doing a squat, a lunge, or even a simple seated leg extension, maintaining a neutral spine and engaging your core is key. It might be helpful to stand in front of a mirror or record your workout to verify that you are executing movements correctly. Additionally, taking the time to warm up and stretch before each session prepares your muscles and joints for the physical demands ahead. Consider seeking advice from a fitness professional or watching instructional videos from trusted sources to learn and refine these techniques. As you build muscle strength, your body becomes more resilient, and proper form will enable you to make the most out of every exercise while reducing the likelihood of strains or sprains. This mindfulness during your workouts is a game changer that will support long-term health and fitness. Habit 1. Commit to a personalized progressive plan. The cornerstone of transforming your leg strength lies in committing to a personalized progressive plan. Recognize that every individual's fitness journey is unique, and what works for one person may not work for another. Start by assessing your current fitness level and setting realistic, achievable goals. This plan should be tailored specifically to your body's needs and any limitations you might have. Begin with manageable exercises, and as your strength and confidence grow, gradually increase the intensity and complexity of your routine. This progressive approach not only prevents burnout, but also reduces the risk of injury by allowing your muscles to adapt over time. Consult with healthcare professionals or fitness experts to develop a program that integrates both strength and flexibility exercises, ensuring a balanced regimen that targets all aspects of leg health. Periodically reassess your progress and adjust your plan accordingly to keep challenging your body in new ways. With consistency and a willingness to adapt, this personalized plan becomes your roadmap to sustained muscle strength and overall vitality. Committing to this method is the ultimate investment in your long-term health. It's about building a stronger, more resilient you with every step. And there you have it. 8 powerful habits to rebuild your muscle strength and transform your legs, no matter your age. From incorporating gentle, low-impact cardio to committing to a personalized, progressive plan, each habit is a building block toward a stronger, more resilient you. Remember, this journey is all about embracing consistency, celebrating small victories, and never underestimating the power of taking care of yourself. As we wrap up, take a moment to reflect on which habit you're excited to start with and consider integrating these steps into your daily routine. Whether you're just beginning or looking to enhance your current fitness regimen, every step forward counts. Your path to improve strength and mobility is a marathon, not a sprint. So be patient, stay motivated, and celebrate every milestone along the way. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and inspiration to live your healthiest life. Remember, every stride you take is a stride towards a more vibrant, active future. Stay strong, keep moving, and I'll see you in the next video.